I don't have much time, but I refuse to stay broke. Welcome, guys. This is Aneta again. So today I want to talk about small business ideas that you can start while working, guys. One thing that I want you to avoid is to depend on one source of income, guys. Can you imagine, guys, if you lose your job right now, how long gonna you survive? How long gonna you struggle, guys, to find another work? So I want you to avoid that, and you can start a side hustle, guys. It's good to have a side hustle that give you, even if it's a small amount of money, guys. That's a good. Remember, this small business that you start, it may seem small, yes, but they can merge into streams and bring a lot of money in the future, guys. So as for me personally, guys, I do my work and I also have small business. This business, guys, they really help me a lot. One of the business that I have, guys, it's to make soap. Yeah, I make soap and sell it for people. And I know maybe some people don't know how to make this soap. Don't worry, guys. On my next video, I'll be showing you step by step on how you're going to make this video. So just you remember, just like, subscribe, so that when I post the next video, guys, you can be able to see it and know how to make soap. I make soap. Beside my job, I make soap and I sell it to people. And this soap making, guys, I can tell you that it helped me to open another business. Yeah, it brought me my first chicken, guys, and right now I have almost like 6 chicken as I'm talking. And that make me happy whenever I see chickens running around me, and I see, oh my god, this is the all source of my income, all source of my sweat. I'm just happy when I see chickens running all over the ground. So, guys, you can also, I know there are some people who have skills like making hair, makeups, nails. You can start that. Even you can start selling mitumba. That's a very good business. You buy mitumba, you sell it to people at your job, or you sell to people, your neighbors. You can sell it through WhatsApp if you don't have much time, guys. Just let us, guys, avoid having one source of income that can affect you and that can affect you bad. So remember to like, to subscribe, guys, for more videos. And my next video, guys, I'll be teaching you on how we are going to make soap.